Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how to make an easy chocolate frosting without cocoa powder, chocolate, condensed milk or cream. To make this chocolate frosting, I am taking some bourbon biscuits. You can use any chocolate cream biscuits that you have at home. I am going to use 12 chocolate biscuits. These bourbon biscuits I am using 12. Transfer these biscuits to a mixie jar. Along with this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add anywhere between 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now close the mixie and grind this to make a smooth powder. It should be like this, smooth and lump free. To this powder, we'll add 3 tablespoons of milk. Again close the mixie jar and grind it till you get a smooth paste. So this paste should be smooth and lump free. Next we'll transfer this biscuit mixture onto a saucepan. Keep the flame at medium to low and transfer this mixture. To this mixture, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and keep mixing this mixture till the butter melts nicely and blends well with the chocolate frosting that we are making. As you keep mixing, this mixture will become thicker and thicker. When it becomes nice and thick like this, you can remove it from the flame. Let it cool down for some time. After it cools down slightly, you can start spreading it on whichever cake that you have. This is a very thick and creamy mixture, so you will be able to spread this very easily on a cake. You can just pour all this mixture onto the cake, and if you slightly shake the cake or the plate like this mixture will flow all around the cake easily and smoothly. Or you can use a butter knife like this and spread it all around the cake. If you want more frosting, just double this proportion, then you will be able to cut the cake in half, frost the insides and the outside also. To decorate this cake, take any chocolate that you have at home and grate it all over the cake, or you can add chocolate chips, or you can chop some nuts and add it on top of the cake. So that's it, an easy and simple chocolate frosting is ready. It's a beautifully thick and creamy and luscious frosting. So during this lockdown period, if you don't have the ingredients to make a perfect frosting, you can make this easy recipe. It tastes really good. Even if you don't have cream or condensed milk, chocolate, cocoa powder, you can still make a very good frosting with the biscuits you have at home. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.